Hey guys! Today we are going to talk about plants and their amazing curiosities. Did you know that there are more than 300,000 species of plants in the world? It's a lot, right? But let's focus on some pretty cool trivia. You know that feeling of peace you feel when you're in a garden surrounded by plants? This is not just your impression. Studies show that spending time in green environments can help reduce anxiety and stress. And speaking of tranquility, did you know that some plants have calming properties? This is the case with lavender, which is known to help you relax and sleep better. Valerian is used as a natural remedy for anxiety and insomnia. But plants aren't just there to help us relax. Some of them are true superheroes when it comes to fighting disease. For example, turmeric, which is used in Indian cooking, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help fight diseases such as cancer and Alzheimer's. And did you know that plants can also communicate with each other? That's right. Studies show that some plants are able to release chemical substances that inform other nearby plants about the presence of predators or adverse weather conditions. And there is one more incredible curiosity about plants: they are able to adapt to different environmental conditions. Some plants manage to survive in extreme conditions, like the cactus, which is able to survive in hot and dry deserts. Well, folks, these were just a few curiosities about plants. They are amazing, right? And if you still don't have a plant at home, how about adopting one? She can be a great companion and still bring many benefits to your health and well-being. Another interesting curiosity about plants is that they are capable of producing a wide variety of colors and scents. This happens because they use these characteristics to attract pollinators, such as bees and butterflies, and ensure the reproduction of the species. And speaking of pollinators, bees are key to plant survival and food production. They are responsible for pollinating about 70% of the world's cultivated plants, including fruits, vegetables, and grains. But not all plants need pollinators to reproduce. Some species are able to reproduce by means of seeds that are spread by the wind, as is the case with the dandelion. Other plants, such as potatoes, reproduce through tubers. And how about a curiosity about the tallest plant in the world? This is Sequoia sempervirens, which can measure more than 100 meters in height. It is found primarily on the west coast of the United States and is one of the oldest and most hardy species on the planet. Finally, it is worth remembering that plants are fundamental for maintaining the ecological balance and for the health of the planet. They are responsible for producing oxygen and absorbing carbon dioxide, helping to reduce the impact of climate change. An interesting curiosity is that many plants have medicinal properties that are used in the production of medicines. An example is the plant known as arnica, which is used to treat bruises and muscle pain. Another curiosity is that some plants are considered sacred in different cultures around the world. In India, for example, the cow is considered a sacred animal and it is common to see cows walking freely in the streets. Ginkgo biloba is a sacred tree in China, and is known for its medicinal properties and for being a symbol of longevity. And how about a curiosity about carnivorous plants? That's right, there are plants that feed on insects and other small animals. An example is Dionaea muscipula, known as carnivorous trap plant or Venus flytrap, which has leaves modified in the form of traps that close when an insect lands on them. And speaking of modified leaves, some plants have curious structures, such as thorns and cacti, which are used as a defense mechanism against predators. Other plants, such as orchids, have structures that mimic insects to attract pollinators. Finally, it is worth remembering that plants are essential for human nutrition and food production. In addition to fruits and vegetables, plants are used in the production of cereals, such as wheat and rice, and in the production of other crops, such as coffee and cocoa. So, guys, did you like the trivia about plants? They are really amazing and deserve all our attention and care. Let's keep valuing and protecting nature always. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, leave your like if you liked it. New videos every week.